Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's just see on this here on the left side of our device we have the silent mode switcher. So if you want to turn on the silent mode, so just you should switch the switcher, just slide it to the down, and now we can see here the switcher is in red color, so that means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn off the silent mode, you should just switch the switcher just by this way, just slide it by here, switch it to the up, and now silent mode is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.